Hey guys, Richard here, e-bike reviews and adventures, and today we're here at Surf Wheels and E-Bikes. We're talking to Leo, the owner. We just came through, did a little tour with him, and now we want to bring you along and show you a few things here. He's an Addmotor specialty dealer here in Largo, Florida. If you're anywhere in the area, if you're 20 miles away, 50 miles away, 250 miles away, come down and see Leo because he is an outstanding guy. He's got a great shop here. Stick around to the video. We're going to show you what it's all about. How long have you been in business, Leo?
Been in business for over 15, 17 years, bike shops for over 7.
Okay.
So we started off in this area in Clearwater Beach, and unfortunately about 2 years ago got hit by those hurricanes, and we relocated. We were closed for about 8-9 months, and now hopefully getting into a bigger place here, and it gives a little bit more ability to come around, and we've been really happy with the different brands we're carrying.
Super, super. You know, that hurricane tore a lot of people up. And it's unfortunate because he was telling me, just a lot of damage, just total destruction, as you can imagine, in a hurricane. And it's disheartening when you see your business kind of get wiped out.
Yeah.
But here you are 8-9 months later, you're reestablished, new location, you got a great facility here because it's plenty big enough, you got a lot of different products in here. And it's just great to see that you're back up and going again. So.
Yeah, it's been a rebuild process, but we always trust in the guy above to, keep pushing forward. And, sometimes you got to let go with the flow, and turn lemons into lemonade.
That's right. When one door closes, the other one opens. You just got to wait for it. Sometimes you got to be patient. It's hard to be patient.
Yeah, and we're only about 5-6 miles from our old place, but this new place gives us a little bit more room and breathing room. We specialize a lot in the trikes. The trikes are our specialty, and it gives us a lot more breathing room to be able to do that as well.
Yeah, for sure. And you're even telling me there's enough room in here, and if you want to pan around just a little bit, there's enough room in here that he can almost allow people to do like a little oval circle here to do a short little test ride before they go out and hit the trails, which you've got the Pinellas Trail right behind you here.
Yes, we do.
Outstanding trail. We've ridden that trail many times. Love going back and forth. Sometimes we go all the way out to Clearwater Beach. We'd start in someplace like Seminole or something, just had a great time. So it's nice to see a bike shop close to the trail because that's where the business is.
Yeah,
right?
and we just got our rental program up and going. When we first had moved to Clearwater Beach, we were going to do that from the get-go, but then we preferred the focus on sales and service. And we had introduced it towards the end of the episode, towards the end of the years that we had over there. And then the hurricane hit us, and then just now we're relaunching our rental program.
Okay, so that's good to know too. So people can come here and rent. Can they rent anything you have on the floor, or do you have certain products?
Normally the bikes, the e-bikes is what we have for rental.
Okay.
The trikes, we're just working out the details of the process with that, but for now it's the...
So they can come here, they can rent any of the Addmotor bikes here and hit the Pinellas Trail. There's no restriction, they can get on the Pinellas Trail?
Yep, they can get on the Pinellas Trail, Class 2, Class 3 bike so far.
Nice, until the laws change out there, right?
Yeah.
Well, let's hope that they don't, right?
Yeah.
Those laws are getting a little restrictive.
Yeah. Well, I think there'll be a balance there,
Yeah, right on. Yeah. So what is your best-selling bike and what is your best-selling trike? Can you tell us, what should people look for when they come in?
Our folding bikes are probably, in which we have a pretty good selection of the different folding bikes here. Our Addmotor M140 is a very, very popular bike. We sold hundreds of these bikes over the last couple of years. Have been solid. They have a huge battery, 20 amp hour battery, 750, which is the largest motor allowed by law, the 750 motor. And they're easy to get on and off, so it's good for somebody from 5 foot tall to someone that's 6'4",
Right.
So it fits a good different size group of people.
Right.
And in the trikes, our staple has always been Addmotor. Our Addmotor trikes have always been really good. The M360, which is a semi-recumbent bike. We
were just looking at some of those off camera and just impressed with the Addmotor quality. I had an Addmotor that I purchased for my wife, and that was a couple of years ago when the E310, the City Tri first came out. And it was a solid build. It was okay. It turns out that she didn't care for that. She ended up choosing something else. So we didn't keep it. We had to sell it and move it on.
Right.
But looking here, just the quality, even some of the finer, small features, I like the quality. I do. I like it a lot.
Right.
It just
Yeah, and it's been proven over time. So, but we, so a considerable amount of these recumbent bikes, and then we just know we like to stick with bikes and brands that will stay the test of time. That we know they're going to be solid. Had actually no issues with these bikes. They've been really solid, and people have been really happy with them. And as they continue to modify their bikes too, you have the new one over on this side here, the 368X, that has people have been wanting more suspension and stuff, and that's what they did with the new one. And then we also do carry some other brands like New Kids on the Block for different, because it's different strokes for different folks, depending what they need, and some are heavier than others. So we try to have that variety here where people can come sit in the trike and get a feel, at least in here, feel in a safe environment to get a feel on the trike and see it.
I visit a lot of different bike shops, and there's some that were like closet bike shops where they have like 4 or 5 bikes lined up, and that's it. So there's not much to choose from. So I was really impressed when we walked through the door, and you just looked at the vastness of all the bikes and trikes that you have here. Certainly, anyone can come in here and find something that they like, that they fall in love with.
And that's the idea, to try to have something for someone.
The majority, right?
The majority. There's something different. If somebody wants a folding bike, we have a folding bike. If somebody wants a bike with a bench seat on it, we have that as well. But I think our niche are the trikes. And I think within Florida, it's hard to find someone that will have the selection of different trikes that we have.
I haven't seen the selection. Like I said, it'd be even online, when we're shopping online, you're looking at different dealers and things. They'll have 15 or 20 bikes, and they'll have one trike to choose from, and that's just it. They have one, and that's one of the things I've always been impressed about Addmotor. They're probably the largest trike dealer there is, because they have so many different styles and
they do.
models.
They have anything from some small and sporty like this to something larger like the M368X. So something
Yeah, well, you know what? When you've got the when you've got the inventory, and when you've got the different styles and things to choose from, you got the quality there, you got the customer service there. There's no reason why people shouldn't be rushing over here to meet Leo.
Thank you.
To check out, to see what he's got here. Well, Leo, I appreciate the time. Just a quick.
Thank you so much, Richard. Thank you for
coming
by, and I really enjoy watching your videos. A lot of the times, that's how we decide to bring certain.
Did you hear that? He told me that off camera, and it's Leo here watches our videos to help him decide what brands he might be interested in working with.
Exactly.
That's
one of the trusted guys out there.
That's probably the highest honor I've received from anybody, and I appreciate hearing that. I appreciate that, and I won't steer you wrong. I'll always be honest with you.
Sounds good. Yeah, that's great. That's honestly is the best policy.
There you go, buddy. There you go. Amen to that. Oh, hey guys, like I said, if you're anywhere in the area, make sure you come down here and check them out. We'll have the address and the link. Do you have a website?
Yes, it's under construction since we moved, but it should be up in about a week or so.
No problem. We'll give you the address, the phone number. Make sure you call Leo. That's going to be it for this episode. Make sure you drop any comments down below. Give us a thumbs up. And of course, ride responsibly, ride safe.